So, good evening, everyone. Today, in our local area, we have a program. In this program, is organizing by local people. They also collected lots of money and they also arranged lots of donation. So, in this program, big scholar they will come and also they will deliver a speech. So, after Namaz Asr, I also went there and I also saw the environment. Really, it was very joyful. But today, I am also feeling a shortage of friend because I don't have any friend circle because my all friend circle has gone. Now I am alone. So for this reason, I went, I saw, and I came back. And one things I realize means you born, but your birth is not very normal. You should develop habit quality and people also can respect as like them. So in this world if you have a quality and capacity so people will respect you, people will give you value. So by that type of program you can take